have different hats, and depending on what hat it has, that sound it will have. So I will say, and then you repeat. A reads A, A, A. Let's say.
A reads A, A, A.
Yeah, you wonder maybe what animal is this? Maybe someone knows what animal is this?
Agent.
Yeah, you're a very smart child. Very good. But does it say anything to all of you? What is ape?
Monkey.
Yeah, you might think it's a monkey, but you know, I want to tell you something very interesting. I've got two pictures for you. So, this is how the monkey looks, and this is how the ape looks.
Oh.
You can see some difference between these two pictures, yeah?
Yeah.
The monkey has a long tail. But do we see a tail?
No.
Do the apes have tails?
No.
No, they don't have tails. And apes, they have, I will just place the pictures here. So this is the monkey. They